soft4FX, where we dive into the world of forex trading with tips, tricks, and tools to help you level up your game. If you ever wanted to practice trading without risking a single dollar, you are the right place. Today, we are diving into how to use a Forex Simulator software to sharpen your skills and boost your confidence in the market. Whether you are a beginner looking to understand the basics or an experienced trader testing new strategies, a Forex Simulator is your ultimate playground. No real money at risk, time market scenarios, and instant feedback. It's like having a personal trading coach but without the hefty price tag. So grab your coffee, hit the like button, and let's jump right into it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up a simulator, run realistic trading scenarios, and track your progress like a pro. Now let's see a MetaTrader 4, and in this I'm using an XNS demo account. I will show you exactly how to load the Forex Simulator. We'll go to the navigator. I'll show you this example. Now this is the Forex Simulator. We have taken a start time, and so this is how it looks. So now I'll show you a step-by-step procedure how to use this Forex Simulator software. This is a soft Forex Simulator. Download link is given in the description. I'm using an XNS as a Forex broker, and the platform that I have used is MT4. I have to go to the view, to the navigator window, where I can see this soft Forex Simulator. I have to drag and drop this into a chart, and that's it. I have to log into the, and here if we have a previously tried simulation, we can load that simulation also, and or if I want to carry out a new simulation, I can click for a new simulation. This is a data center where you have pre-downloaded data for the number of available forex pairs and indices. So for this, I have to just, for example, now I'm selecting Euro USD and update it. So I have to check this and I have to update. So after a while, this will get updated. So along with the economic event calendars. So this is updated till 4th of April 2025. I'll close it. Now I have to run a new simulation. I'll go to a new simulation. The provider is Ducascopy. The instrument which I want to trade, these all are the instruments which are available with me. So I will select for Euro USD, which I want to practice my strategy. I will select a start date. The start date is available with me. I'm going to use as, I'll go for a recent one. For example, I'll go from 2022 onwards. So this is 2022, July 4th. The end date of a simulation is by default till the data is available, or you can also select an end date. Now the account currency which you want to use is either Euro or USD. So I'll keep it as USD. The starting balance is 10,000. You can increase your balance up to the given limit. The minimum and maximum limits are given here. So the time zone which you want to use, you can use it, or you can select the time zone from here. The pip size by default is 10. Lot size by default is 100k, and the leverage is 1:100. You can also increase the leverage to 1:1000. The spread here, you want to keep it as a real variable, real or fixed. The initial history on the chart is, for example, you have taken 4th of July 2022 as the start date of the simulation. From that, how many number of bars you want. So this is for per day. If I give 31 days, that is 31 days from in the backward from 4th of July to 2022. So when I click on start simulation, the simulation will start and the chart selection window will pop up. This chart selection window is having multiple charts like standard chart, seconds chart, range chart, Renko chart, and tick charts. We will keep it as a standard chart. The period is M1, M5, M15, M30, whatever you are suitable and whatever you want to trade with, you can choose that chart. Here you can add multiple number of charts. For example, if I add a 5-minute chart, it has been loaded. When I click open, it has opened in the background. Now if I want 30 minutes chart, I'll select the period as 30, I'll add it. So the standard chart M30 is added to the chart selection. Now I have opened it, so I have a 30 minutes candle chart also. Similarly, you can have multiple charts in this chart selection. So now the whole simulator is ready to be simulated. Here, if you want to change the template of the chart, which I prefer mostly a naked chart, which does not have anything. It is a very clear chart. It does not have anything. So I have preloaded this template as a naked chart. Now, here are certain things which you can play around with. Like for example, if you want to have, this is the normal entry level program which is by default. That is, you have to enter a lot size which you want, or you can enter a risk percentage here. Now SL is number of pips or SL is a price value. You can select from out of these. Same goes for the take profit pips. Either you have to take it as a take profit pips or take profit price. So here you can see there are multiple options available. The visual mode says that once I click on the visual mode and I change this to risk percent, so I am risking every trade 1%. So now there is no SL and TP pips are enabled. These are disabled now. So why this is disabled? So let's see. When I go for a market price buy, I automatically get these two lines. That is, one is take profit, the other one is the stop loss line. See, whenever I am moving this stop loss line, the SL pip is automatically moving and it is showing risk to reward ratio also. So by adjusting this, my risk to reward ratio and reward to risk ratio is shown in this. So I can easily calculate my risk, my lot size and everything, and I can execute the trade. So here when I executed my I can see that for 1% risk on this account, it has taken how many lots. So the number of trades which I want to take, which I have already taken, is given in this window. So when I click this trades window, I have this market and pending orders which are there to be executed, or it has been already executed. The history of previous buy, sell and closed trades, statistics, how many trades, realized profit, every day, track my progress, and there is a graph which is available on balance, equity and trade size. So the market pending order shows to me is that I have a buy type order, 1.72 lot size, open price, stop loss price, take profit and the current P&L, profit and loss. So it has also an option of auto break even, trailing stop, if you want to modify it, you can modify it, and then if you want to partially close it, you can also do that in this. And if you want to add some comment, you can add it over here. Let us play this chart for a while. We'll come back to this later. So now if I have some news event, I can see that in this news chart. Now this is same as the chart selection. If you want to further add more some charts like monthly chart and weekly charts, you can do that from here. This is the history. Whenever I have taken a trade, the history will be shown on the previous trades will be shown on this chart, and these are the sessions indicator. So for example, currently in which session I am trading, it can show. So presently I am trading only Sydney and Tokyo session. So now this is a play button. This is real tick per second or real time. I always prefer real time, and you can fast forward this real time. I usually keep it into 40x, so that when I play this, the chart starts playing. So now for example, if presently I am now in a $98 profit, overall profit. So now if I want to go and break even this trade, I can click on the trades. I can either adjust my take profit or my stop loss, or I can go for a break even. So now my price and SL is in break even. You can see that the stop loss is shifted to break even. Now I can close part positions also. Either I want to close certain number of lots, or if you want to certain number of percentages, you can change this percentage over here and you can see close. So now 50% of my trade is already been closed. So 1.72 lot was the initial lot size. Now it is 0.86. So this is very effective tool which you can use, and similarly you can use the trailing stop. So this is the main advantage of using a simulator This is MT4 simulator. There is an availability of MT5 simulator also. You can download this from the link provided in this description. Similarly, now there are multiple options of doing a buy or sell. For example, in the pending orders, you can find buy stop, buy limit, sell stop. So if I click on the buy stop, I get three options. One is the TP, the red one is the SL, as we know. This is the buy stop price, limit price where we want to buy. Similarly, sell stop and sell limit. That's all, friends. This is the basic of how to use this Forex simulator. I'll show you now how to download it. You can simply go to soft4FX and search for the soft Forex simulator. Here are the two ex4 file which you can download. If we click, I have an ex4 file for MT4, so I have already downloaded this MT4. Now I'll show you how to load it in your XNS. So again, we will open XNS. We'll go to the navigator window. So now let me delete this for you. Okay, so now you want to add that as an expert advisor, which is a Forex simulator. So you will go to open data folder. You will first go to the downloads where you have that ex4. This is the ex4. Right click on it, copy, go back to the data folder, go to MQL4, and here you have experts, and here you have to right click and paste that for soft forex simulator, and that's all. You are good to go. Now in this there is no soft forex simulator available, which we have recently added. So we have to right click on this and we have to just do a refresh. So you got this, and the main prerequisite is you either you have to choose any one. I have chosen gold XAU USD M30 chart, whatever chart you wish to. You have to open that chart. You have to just drag and drop it over here and then click on OK. The low forex simulator is loaded. So you can use the demo mode also, but however, for full version you have to purchase this. This is for $100, and I don't think for practicing $100 is much of a cost. So you can log it into this. So it will check the license and this page will open. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.